To forget our pain, problems, struggles, we'll watch movies, comedy shows for refreshment. There are so many comedians in every industry to entertain us. In that, Rowan Atkinson will be on the top. Rowan Atkinson, he is mostly known as Mr. Bean than his original name. Not only kids, even elders too likes his shows a lot. He taught us how to make fun comedy without talking. Today, we are going to know the journey of Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean. His full name is Rowan Sebastian Atkinson. He was born on Jan 6, 1955 in England. He is youngest in all three. His father is an electrical engineer and his mother is a housemaker. The other two used to be very active, but Rowan was suffered with a disease called selective mutism. It is commonly seen in children. Selective mutism, it means children suffering with this disease won't speak to anyone and keeps quiet and will be dull at all the time. When he was child, he used to see a dumb show which attracted him a lot. His ambition was to become an electrical engineer and he completed it. After graduation, he thought to complete post-graduation too in electrical engineer. So for MSc, he joined at Oxford University in Queen's College. There once, college management informed students to prepare an own script and should perform. The Rowan remembered the dumb show of his childhood and informed to his friend Richard Carter about this. Richard was a writer, even he liked this and prepared a dumb script and presented in the college. The expressions by Rowan was very funny and the crowd enjoyed a lot and gave a good response to them. With that response, Rowan and Richard decided to give more shows in that way. For them, music was composed by habit. Their shows fits by public and they got so many offers in TV shows. But Rowan thought if they signs in TV shows, they cannot give live performance. After some days, he thought to sign TV shows, as there will be bright future in TV shows. Then Rowan signed BBC channel and started his first TV show, that is not the 9 o'clock news. This show was super success in the industry. By different face signs and poses, people became a huge fans to him. Later, he did Blackadder show. Even this also became a super hit. With that, they did sequel for Blackadder. This series became all-time best show in Britain. Rowan became very famous for his visual acting. It means acting without speaking a single word. His full-fledged visual series is The Cheating. This show is one of the most successful series in the world. In this series, Rowan acts crazy in the exam hall. With such skills, Rowan developed huge fan following. Rowan is a huge fan of James Bond. After getting success in TV shows, Rowan introduced to silver screen with James Bond with a small character. Later, he created a character and took a movie, that is Johnny English. With this, Rowan introduced to silver screen completely and got a good response for it. Later, for this movie, he took sequel with the name Johnny English Reborns. In this way, Rowan was developed his career with complete success. Apart from this, even in real estates, he was a successful person. But still, Rowan wasn't satisfied because he wants still more people to enjoy his shows. Due to this, with a script he went to so many channels but none were accepted it. Then Rowan himself narrated, directed, acted by naming the show Mr. Bean. Here, Rowan did an all-round performance. Generally, by doing comedy, comedians make us laugh. But in critical situations, when a person does some mistakes and how he escapes from that situation, with all such things, how Rowan creates fun, all it was mesmerizable. Mr. Bean shows was attracted by all over the world. By 1980, nearly 2 crores people saw Mr. Bean show. It was a record at that time. Mainly, Rowan shows is attracted by the people because of no voice. All this is on screen of Rowan. Coming to off screen, as he is suffering from selective mutism, he doesn't used to speak with anyone. His wife name is Sunitra Sastry. She is an Anglo-Indian. It means her father is an Indian and mother is Britain citizen. They both have 2 children, but due to some issues, they both took divorce in 2014. Apart from this, Rowan is very passionate about cars. He has different varieties and top cars. He even likes racing. Apart from this, Rowan is a pilot too. At present, Rowan's age is 66 and he enjoys his life with his family members. After Charlie Chaplin, such type of comedy and had a huge fan following is conquered by Rowan, Mr. Bean. So that's the journey of Rowan Atkinson. Sorry, Mr. Bean. If you like the video, hit that like button and share your friends and family members and encourage me to do more interesting videos. Thank you.